Hey everybody, Carl here from Apt, and this is the new Astro C40 controller. This is going to work with the PlayStation 4 or a PC. We're going to open it up and take a look and see what comes inside the box. So first things first, there's a little bit of tape on the bottom to cut through. So we will start off by doing that and then take a look and see. Sort of cheated a little bit and looked on the box to see what came with it beforehand. But we'll show you guys everything that comes inside. And this is, you can already tell, like, just from picking up the box that it's a pretty substantial remote. It's a heavy box. The weight on the outside of it was 310 grams for the controller itself, which is, it's heavy. As we open it up, we've got some reading material here. I'm not gonna go through all that, but we've got a box with a little red highlight on it. It's a cool looking package that it comes in, but we'll throw that off to the side and get to the good stuff. It does come in a nice, rigid carrying case. You got the Astro logo on the outside here. Kind of reminiscent of like Bose QC35 headphones almost. But then as we open it up, we've got the remote. It does feel really good. It's got kind of a rubberized texture on the grips here. And you obviously have your two joysticks, your directional pad, buttons, all the normal stuff that you'd see on a PlayStation 4 remote. And then you've got some padding here on the back, and that's covering up some more pieces. You've got a USB dongle that you're going to need for playing on the PC or on your PlayStation 4. It does come with a little tool here, because one of the nice parts about this is that you can remove this top panel and sort of reconfigure things, and it also comes with some extra joysticks. So you've got some tall that are concave. I don't know if you can really see that on the camera. You've got short that are domed. So you got a couple options here. Nothing else in there. And then at the top, you've got this little mesh pouch, and that's going to hold your USB cable. This is a USB micro, but this is for, you can remap some of the controls on this. This actually comes with some extra buttons on the back, so you can remap these. You've got some trigger stops here that shorten the throw of the triggers. So if you're a competitive gamer, something like this might be of interest to you. It's on the more expensive side for a controller. Right now it's around $200. So it's certainly not the cheapest item you can buy for your PlayStation, but it's substantial. It feels really good. You can take it apart and reconfigure it like you want to. And that's really all there is to it. It's a cool remote control. Make sure you check it out at apt.com. Thanks as always for watching, and we will see you in the next video.